What's up guys? On the way tayo ngayon sa capital town, San Fernando, Pampanga para puntahan yung biggest McDonald's in Asia. Kasama si Angel, yung mga geng-geng, and si Lilo Cesar. Okay guys, dito na kami ngayon, pa-exit na sa may bandang SETEX. So, see you there! What's up guys? Nandito na tayo sa biggest McDonald's in Asia here at capital town, San Fernando, Pampanga. So here, capital town, and ito yung McDonald's. Huge, massive marvel by McDonald's. Maluwag yung parking, may motorcycle parking, at meron ding bicycle parking. Yan. Guys, walking inside McDonald's, biggest McDonald's in Asia. Wow, laki sa loob. Ito yung main lobby guys, and then this is yung going sa second floor, and my connecting room dito going to another dining area. Here may nakasulat, sarap pag nandito ka. Here another dining area. Ayan. Ayan, napakalaki and spacious. Wow. So ito guys, second floor. And may function room pa sila. And another dining area here sa second floor. Ayan. And view from the second floor. Same thing here, may kiosk sila for the orders. Tara, order tayo. Anong gusto mo? Ano ko ba yan? Dine-in. Dine-in. Anong gusto ni baby girl? Burger? Spaghetti ka lang? Busog ka pa? With fries? Sige. Medium, maubos po kaya yan? O sige. Okay. Malaki ka dito sa McDo. Alam na alam mo ah. Add to bag. Tawagin mo si Uncle para alam mo yung orderin. Uncle, anong gusto mong order? Mukhang pang heavyweight yung ano ah. Kainan ngayon ah. Ako mag one piece chicken lang siguro ako. Spaghetti. Add to order. Okay. Ako naman. Okay.
Add ka pala rice.
Oh, sige. No add-ons. Add to order. Tsaka gusto ko ng spaghetti. So, a la carte lang. Okay. Next in dessert. Same lang yung desserts nila. Hot fudge sundae tsaka yung caramel, and yun yung McFlurry. Okay. We proceed to check out. Okay, yun ang order natin. Complete order. We have the counter. Okay.
Ito ako tayo, 26 pa lang tayo. Kala mo naman, nalayo ng abot natin, ano bigla.
Balikan ko yung isa, meron pa doon. Okay, kain na kami. Ordered lang yung usual McDonald's spaghetti. Sama ka dito? Okay, let's see. Siguro yung spaghetti ng McDo ah. For my drink, favorite, apple juice by McDonald's. Kamusta yung ano mo, dining experience? Thumbs up lang? Kamusta yung fries? Sarap? Alright. Si Uncle. Uncle, ano, kamusta yung chicken? Mukhang napalabang ka dyan, ha?
Dami pala.
Party tayo. Isang buo.
Next guys, chicken McDo. Actually, favorite ko yung chicken McDo dahil sa pagka yung sa peppery niya. Ito, and of course yung gravy. Natin ang gravy. And then, syempre yung rice. Okay. Oh. So may branch na mga cafes na separated outside here. Okay, let's check it out. Mac Cafe. So here's their menu na you won't usually see in other McDonald's. They have hot and cold coffee beverages, some teas, and ice blended beverages. Meron din silang pastries like cheesecakes, croissants, and cookies. I ordered cappuccino. And not gonna lie, it's better than I expected. Sinubukan din namin yung chocolate chip cookie na may chocolate drizzle pa. This wrap up our visit sa biggest McDonald's in Asia. If hindi nyo pa napupuntahan to, go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, so yun, wrap up for today ang visit natin dito sa biggest McDonald's in Asia here at Capital Town, San Fernando, Pampanga. Kamusta ang trip, geng? All good?
All goods.
All good? All good? Okay, pauwi na kami ulit. Nagustuhan nyo to? Like, follow, and share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.